Hi, this is Dawn, DEK Designs, and I'm going to do an unboxing of the February subscription. So, we have a little rose pen. It's really, I think it's a 0.5 tip. And all this frilly stuff. Let me just move it over to the side. And a couple snacks. And a erasable ink pen. These are my favorite to use in the planner because they're erasable. And this one writes really dark, so it's very nice. And this is some silly putty. You can kind of play with it when you're at work or whatever, in a meeting, or probably not in a meeting, but you know. So it's silly putty. And then this is the kit. And this size is, I believe, Erin Condren. Yep. So we'll just go through these pages quick. You get a set of Fashion Girls. And this is your full first set of full boxes, and it's foiled with rose gold. And your second sheet is half boxes, sidebar, habit trackers, weekend banner. And your third sheet is your full box checklist and some half box checklists and flags. Your date covers and washi. And this is another full sheet of boxes. And this has your girls on it. So this was the first sheet of full boxes. This is the second sheet of full boxes. This is our glitter sheet, and it has your foiled glitter headers. This is our flag and icon sheet. Very pretty. We just added these little scallop headers to it. This is your deco sheet. It's a lot of sheets. This is your worksheet. And these are your foiled headers. And then this month we added, and we'll probably keep it adding it because I think it's very functional for you to spread out your kit. But it's 3 more weeks of date covers and date dots. So yeah, and also another washi sheet. And then your lace labels. So the main kit is 12 sheets. And let me pack this back up. And we'll do the next kit, or the next set, which is your monthly. Or I'll just move it to the side. I won't put it back in the cell. It makes too much noise. Okay, then this is the monthly that comes in the box. And this is February box again. So the first page is your foiled functional items to put in your monthly, like your payday, rest day, bill due, mortgage, rent, family time, trip, appointment, vehicle payment, and some foiled icons and some foiled corners. This is the month and your date dots and some foiled boxes. These are your top strips for your monthly and your dates in deco boxes. And then this is your sidebar and your flags and some deco. So you get 4 sheets, 2 of which are foiled in the monthly. Then we always throw some extra kind of stickers in the box. This month we put some little koalas in here, which are super cute. Oops, I think I opened this wrong. Sorry, I'm off camera here. So you have some Valentine koalas, and they're super cute. And also some Boo Bear Valentine. And then some Valentine gift tags. So you can use this if you're going to give a Valentine gift. You can use these. Or put them in your planner. Whatever works for you. Okay, we also have a notepad. And this is like a 5.5 by 5 notepad. And there's 2 different designs. This first one says my list. And then the second is take note. So yeah, super cute. There's 30 pages. And then the die cuts. There's a lot of die cuts. The sweater, the fox, the bear, a planner, a heart, some cookies, XOXO, some hearts with a bow, another heart, Be Mine plate, Valentine bag, Valentine tray. I think they're called tray. I have one. I got mine from Amazon and it's white, and I actually posted on Instagram how I decorated it with my sub box. So go check it out. Some planners, flowers, February 14th, some hearts that you can use as a bookmark, another Valentine bag, and just like a window decor with hearts hanging and love. So those were, the die cuts. And then we always do some sort of a clip, usually 2, but this is a red velvet with a pink Swarovski crystal on it, and a wide rose gold paper clip. And then the second clip is a love paper clip. It's very pretty. And then the papers, which these seem to be very popular, because you can make lots of good stuff with your papers. People are so creative, it's just awesome. Okay. So it has this red foil hard doily. And this is the first paper. This is the back side. So it's flowers and then a striped pattern. And then this is your second. And then on the back it has the little bears. So cute. And then this month we have acetate. Oh, I'm not sure. With red foil. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened there. But it's, the pattern says love. And it's super pretty, but it's red glitter. I don't know if you're picking up on that, but it is red glitter foil. And then we have hearts, woven hearts and dots, and then XOXO on the back. And then the kitties, and some little heart I forgot what those are called. Not croissants or anyway, that's gonna bother me, but that's on the back side. And then you have a striped pattern with the hearts, and then some hearts on the back. So those are the papers. Yeah, so if you're interested in our box, it is a monthly subscription, and you can cancel per month if you want, but it is $30 a month. So you get a 12-page weekly kit that will last you way more than a week. And I did hear that a lot of our subscribers are getting 3+ weeks out of it, or they're using it in multiple planners. And then you get a 4-page monthly kit, and then we always throw in some extra stickers. So that was our February sub box. If you have any questions, please just comment below. And thank you for watching, and hit subscribe if you want to be notified every time we do a new video. Thank you.